Welcome to MR Tech. Today we're checking out some next level tools and equipment built to make firewood splitting faster and easier than ever. Get ready to see these genius machines in action. That was my first thought watching this homemade flywheel wood splitter in action. Built from donated parts and scrap materials, it shreds logs with terrifying speed and power. Instead of shelling out big bucks for a commercial splitter, he engineered the Wheel of Death, a fuel-efficient, mobile, and ridiculously effective machine. It may not look the safest, but wow, wood doesn't stand a chance against this monster. I fired up my homemade log splitter for the first time, and wow, what a sight. The 140mm bore cylinder, powered by an 80 liters per minute pump, delivered raw, unyielding force. The whole process was seamless, stable, and far beyond my expectations. Watching it effortlessly split through logs felt like witnessing pure mechanical genius in action. A compact yet powerful wood splitter, mounted on a custom-built tractor, easily turns solid logs into firewood. No more exhausting hours of chopping, just efficiency, power, and save time. This is the tool that makes tough jobs simple. The custom-made horizontal saw features durable, high-strength wheels and a compact yet powerful design, delivering outstanding performance. Its 5-horsepower engine with low RPM ensures precise and stable cuts, tested in real conditions with impressive results. The log splitter from Chanuz is nothing short of extraordinary. It doesn't just get the job done, it does so with unmatched efficiency and power. Watching it split everything from massive logs to kindling with such precision is mesmerizing. It's a testament to industrial innovation, seamlessly blending scale, speed, and reliability. Why spend hundreds on a log splitter when you can build one from scrap? This homemade spring-powered splitter is a brilliant example of resourcefulness, giving new life to discarded materials while preparing you for the cold months ahead. It's sturdy, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. The TB900 vertical log splitter isn't just another machine. It's a beast that effortlessly splits logs up to 90 centimeters in diameter. Designed for efficiency and durability, this splitter handles even the toughest logs with ease. Whether you're managing a lumberyard or dealing with massive wood piles, The TB900 is your ultimate game changer. A homemade circular saw helps you cut through tough hardwood with ease, slicing through dense knots and thick roots effortlessly. It's faster, safer, and most importantly, makes your work feel lighter. Say goodbye to exhausting hours of labor and welcome a smarter way to get the job done. The New Holland TD 5010 is a powerful agricultural machine, and when paired with an automatic circular saw, it turns into an incredibly efficient firewood processing system. Its high torque and fuel efficiency keep the cutting cycle going with minimal downtime, maximizing productivity. This is a smarter way to split wood. No need for brute force or heavy machinery. With this DIY method, you'll split logs effortlessly. What if I told you that cutting branches could be effortless and more efficient than ever? Meet the single shaft branch cutter, a machine so compact it surprises everyone. With no gears to worry about and a flywheel ensuring stability, it runs like a dream. Smooth, reliable, and optimized for the toughest tasks. Our wood chipper takes care of it in seconds, turning bulky branches into compact, easy-to-use wood chips. Whether you need firewood, garden mulch, or just a clean space, this machine gets the job done fast. No more waiting, no more hassle, just instant results. Homemade bandsaw? Smaller wheels mean lower belt speed, but the real magic? Increased traction. However, hit the wrong speed, and boom! Band resonance kicks in, leaving unwanted ripples on your workpiece. Precision matters. Want clean cuts? Understanding this balance is key. From a technical standpoint, this homemade log splitter has potential but lacks efficiency. The slow operating speed seriously cuts down productivity. The hydraulic system doesn't seem to have enough pressure, and the blade moves sluggishly, probably due to suboptimal energy distribution. If you thought splitting logs was tough, think again. The TMS 25 log splitter brings a crushing 9-ton force, breaking through logs up to 25 centimeters thick in seconds. Its 5.2 kilowatt motor delivers relentless power, ensuring no piece of wood gets in your way. This machine is built for dominance, Handle with care, because once it starts, there's no stopping it. A PTO-driven woodcutter made from an old wheel rim might not seem conventional, but by taking advantage of the rim's natural durability and integrating a PTO drive system, this design delivers solid performance. With proper balance, torque distribution, and structural integrity, it's not just functional, it's surprisingly efficient. All right, woodworkers and DIY lovers, let's talk about a game changer, the portable jigsaw. If you've ever struggled with tricky cuts or wished for more control, this tool is exactly what you need. It's lightweight, powerful, and perfect for detailed woodworking. Think of all the creative projects you could tackle: custom furniture, decorative pieces, and more. Meet the homemade horizontal log splitter. Slow, steady, and surprisingly satisfying. It might not win any speed races, but that's exactly what makes it special. Instead of brute force, you get a smooth, rhythmic process that turns splitting wood into a relaxing experience. Think about that pile of fallen branches cluttering your yard. Now imagine a machine that turns them into something useful with just the push of a button. A DIY wood chipper is your ultimate sidekick for handling yard waste. Efficient, eco-friendly, and surprisingly fun to use. This homemade firewood processing machine is built from recycled parts and features a blade system that can split a log into 12 precise pieces. With a 33-centimeter stroke and an adjustable piston, you can fine-tune the speed and force to match your needs. Who would have thought scrap metal could be this useful? Our platform with PFT450 conveyor technology is highly versatile and works with various swing circular saws on the market. Quickly transport freshly cut wood from the saw to a cart, or, thanks to its adjustable height, easily move it into storage or through a doorway.
No, not hat.
Our 3-in-1 cutting, splitting, and sawing machine is designed to boost efficiency while reducing effort. With its powerful 2.2 kilowatt motor and torque-enhancing flywheel, every task becomes smoother and faster. Get more done with less hassle. Power meets precision. The Harbor Freight 5-ton electric log splitter slices through wood effortlessly, turning back-breaking labor into a smooth, efficient process. With its robust force, even dense logs are no match. But beware, while your arms rest, your back might still feel the strain. Meet our wood chip crusher, a powerhouse with a 30 kilowatt motor and a hydraulic belt that grinds through 15 cubic meters of material per hour. Its 3 precision-engineered blades guarantee the finest texture. Whether you're in the biomass business or just looking to optimize production, this machine is your game changer.
Den Stamm gelegt. Wird man gleich sehen. Der hält nämlich den Klotz schön zusammen.
I was shocked when I discovered this trick. It's so simple, yet so effective, and it saves so much effort. No more heavy axes, no more endless chopping, just an easy, genius way to get that firewood ready in no time.
Schon hat man innerhalb von einer Minute das Ergebnis. Jetzt brauchen wir nur noch den Gummiring.
This old homemade log splitter defies expectations, outpacing even the most advanced hydraulic machines. Its raw power and efficiency turn logs into neat stacks in seconds, proving that innovation isn't just about fancy tech, but smart engineering. Currently processing blue gum logs at an impressive 10 to 13 tons per hour, this sawmill exemplifies efficiency in timber cutting. However, upcoming upgrades, including a higher capacity engine, enlarged saw blades, and an optimized clamping system, are projected to further enhance output and precision. I'd advise you not to cut wood this way, because as the piece moves along the table of the circular saw, it can get caught on the blade on the other side. At such high speeds, the blade can lift the wood, turning it into a projectile that could easily injure you. Just a little heads up from me. What if I told you that a single homemade woodcutter could fuel an entire town? It sounds like something out of a survivalist's dream, but it's real. They built it, they perfected it, and now it works like a charm. Day in, day out, it slices through logs effortlessly, turning raw timber into neatly stacked firewood. Pretty impressive. I can split a log in half with my 3.5 kilogram maul. Well, with a little more practice, of course. The real kicker? The right lever swoops in and takes up all the empty space, making everything more intense than ever. Hey inventors, the video ends here for now. Share your awesome thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support fuels amazing things for the future.